Today we're demonstrating how to get crispy fried chicken using the air fry tray in the Frigidaire Gallery oven with the air fry option. First, use a non-stick spray to coat the air fry tray. Arrange chicken pieces in a single layer onto the tray. Select air fry option on the control panel. Set the desired cooking temperature. Wait for the oven to preheat. Once preheated, place a foil-lined tray onto the lower rack. Place the air fry tray onto the suggested rack position for your recipe. For gas ovens, you'll select position 3. For electric, it's rack position 4. And close the door. Set your timer for the minimum suggested cook time. Turning is not necessary when air frying. Once the oven has reached the targeted cook time, check to see if your food item is done. If so, turn off the oven and remove the air fry tray from the oven. Let your chicken pieces cool. To learn more about Frigidaire products, visit us at app.com or visit our showroom located at 1200 North Milwaukee Avenue in Glenview, Illinois.